Understanding the dual role of the verb be can really enhance your grasp of English. Let's dive into how be functions as both an auxiliary and a main verb, and how this can sometimes lead to confusion. When be acts as an auxiliary verb, it plays a crucial role in forming continuous tenses and the passive voice. Continuous tenses are all about actions that are in progress. For instance, when I say, she is reading a book, the verb is helps convey that the action of reading is happening right now. Similarly, in the past continuous, they were walking to school. The word were indicates that the action was ongoing at a specific time in the past. And looking ahead, in the future continuous, I will be studying at 7 p.m. The phrase will be tells us that the studying will be in progress at that future moment. Now, let's explore the passive voice. This is where things get interesting. In passive constructions, the focus shifts from the doer of the action to the recipient. For example, in the sentence, the cake is baked by my mother, the verb is indicates that the cake is the one receiving the action of being baked. It's not about who baked it, it's about the cake itself. In the past passive, the letter was delivered yesterday. The word was shows us that the letter received the action of being delivered. And in the future passive, the news will be announced tomorrow. Will be indicates that the announcement will happen to the news, not by it. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify this understanding. In the present continuous, I am learning to cook. The auxiliary verb am indicates that my cooking journey is currently underway. In the past continuous, they were playing soccer. We see that the action was ongoing in the past. And in the future continuous, we will be traveling to Paris next summer. It's clear that the travel plans are in progress at that future time. Switching to the passive voice, consider the project is completed by the team. Here, is shows that the project is the focus, not who completed it. In the past passive, the book was written by the author. The emphasis is on the book itself. And in the future passive, the results will be shared at the meeting. Will be indicates that the results will be the ones receiving the action of being shared. It's essential to recognize when be is acting as an auxiliary verb versus when it's a main verb. As a main verb, be can stand alone, as in I am happy or they are friends. Here it describes a state of being rather than helping another verb. This distinction is key to mastering English grammar. So, the next time you use be, think about its role in your sentence. Is it helping to form a continuous action or the passive voice? Or is it simply stating a fact about existence? Understanding this will not only clarify your writing, but also enhance your speaking skills. The versatility of be is a powerful tool in the English language, and mastering it can elevate your communication to a whole new level.